Hello everybody, welcome to Writing Skills. Today I'm happy to bring you a nice tool that you can probably use to make you work easier and better for you, especially if you like using AI. And this is GrammarlyGO. Let's take a look at GrammarlyGO, what it can do for you and what it cannot do for you. I'm excited. I've been using it for a while. I think it's a fantastic product. Let's take a look at it and see. So before we take a look at it deeply, what we need to know to do is first of all talk about what is a GrammarlyGO. GrammarlyGO, as you can see, is an AI that is basically gonna help you write your essay. But it's much more than that. I think, in my opinion, GrammarlyGO might be the best AI out there. I'm just gonna say it. The reason I did this is because I'm gonna show you the capabilities, and you can decide for yourself if you think this is the best AI. Let's go ahead and actually switch back to my computer, and you can see I'm using Microsoft Word over here. This is my GrammarlyGO extension. You have to add this little simple extension. You can do that either through Edge or anything else. You can come to the settings and then add the extension. If you want to see a video about that, we can do that, no problem. But right now, I want to make this video short as possible. So you can come over here and you can simply, it will work with any application, whether you have, Word Desktop, Outlook, Word Online, you can see, it will work everywhere. So what you do is you can type in anything. So I'm just going to go ahead type in something. And I'm going to click here. This is going to actually allow you to improve the writing. So if I don't like what it says here, I can come over here and hit improve my writing. If I click that, this is what it's going to do. Immediately generate a new writing, like you can see here. I want to write a story about Pele, who happens to be my favorite soccer player of all time. In my opinion, Pele is the best soccer player to have ever graced this planet. As you can see, I'm dictating this text because I do not like typing. That's what I said, but it just put it more context. And if I don't like the way this sounds, I can hit rephrase it and it will just do this. I can also come over here, click more. But the point is, if you do this, you can hit insert, it will replace what you typed. That is it. And if you have an email, you can see how this could be beneficial for you. And you can do this from any app. So it's just amazing to have this tool. ChatGPT cannot do this. You have to go to ChatGPT and copy the words and put it here. Microsoft Copilot is supposed to do something similar, but so far it's not out yet, and Microsoft released it, but I'm still trying to get around it. When I catch up on it more, I can bring it to you. But right now, let's do more on GrammarlyGO. So let's just say that I write this phrase. I just don't know if I want to add more to it. So I can come over here to the plus sign and I'm going to go ahead. You can sound anticipatory, if that's a word. You can click on more and you can say sound professional, sound fluent, summarize it. You can do all those things and you can write it for ESL teacher. I wonder what that is because I'm an English as a second language student and that's what ESL stands for. Let me see what that means if I click here, right? As an ESL. So here, this is the ESL version. Let me see if there's anything different. I want to create a story about Pele, who is the most loved soccer player ever. In my view, Pele is the most exciting player to have ever existed in this world. Yeah, English, the ESL version sounds horrible. I don't like it. But if I don't like that phrase, I'm going to go ahead and click on more again. I'm going to say, I want to sound professional. Here is a professional version. And you can hit insert. That's what I intend to compose a literally work centered around Pele. This is so much professional, but as you can see, you can do all those things. Let's just say that now I'm going to take this further. I'm going to copy my Pele, my favorite soccer player, copy that. And I'm going to come back in here to Grammarly. I'm going to say, help me type a story about Pele and what he did throughout his career and how many goals he scored. So I can type that in, make it 5 paragraphs only. So I just do that and now it's going to generate this. You can see here, giving me this history of Pele. And that is ultimately giving me the impression that you can do everything. So now I'm going to hit insert. There you go. Now you can see the story just get better. And you can see it's Grammarly because you can also fix it. You can do other things. But ultimately, Pele scored over 1,200 goals. Pele, if you don't know, is a soccer player. He is one of my favorite players of all time, right? So here's what Pele looks like. So, I mean, this is not about him, but this is about Grammarly. But the point is, GrammarlyGO is out there. If you want to use it, I highly recommend it. I think it's the best AI. and you can do so much more with it. Yeah, that's what GrammarlyGO does for you. I hope you really like it. I mean, it's a glimpse of it, but I think it's the best application out there, bar none, in terms of AI. Microsoft Copilot, when it comes out, I'll compare the two of them and see which one is better. But Grammarly so far, excellent. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe. If you haven't already, talk to you next time. Peace.